Welcome to Bunfingus College. So Bunfingus College is actually beginning September of next year. That would be September of 2025. This is a recruitment video for Bunfingus College, so you'll come and show up in September of next year. And I have a book here that I got at this kind of witchcrafty store yesterday. And this witchcrafty thing is kind of big now. But if you go to these events at these stores, it's always females. There's not much of a man witch section. But I think there is a similar desire for this kind of what might be called occult knowledge. And so one of the main books I'm referencing, there's only 4. One of them, I'll link below, Spirit Intercourse, J. Hewitt Mackenzie. I've talked about it 100 times. But that would be fit under the occult back in the day. So that book is, we start on page 196, and that would have been an occult book, but it's also an accumulation of years of occult knowledge, kind of boiled down to just some simple maps and some quaint stories. If you start on page 196, it's you're diving right into the spirit lands part, and then I made this connection that map matches the Van Allen Belts map, So we're talking about the same thing. So this is founded on occult knowledge. Swedenborg is kind of the original New Ager. This is based on a philosophy called Neo-Swedenborgianism, which is opposed to Neo-Kantianism, which came later. Swedenborg came first, wrote some books. Immanuel Kant wrote books about him, or a book about him. And Kant caught on, which was a mistake, and we need to go back to an earlier worldview. Thanks.